Welcome to Awesome Kid. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we will learn about flatten a nested list in Python. To flattening a list involves converting a multi-dimensional list into a one-dimensional list. So we are going to see three different ways. First, we are going to use for loop. So we have this list over here, and we are going to add another new empty list. And we are going to use a for loop, and this will be a list one in num list, and we are going to do for I in our list one. We are just going to append to our new list. So this will be new list dot append, and when we are done after this loop, we're just going to print our new list. So we are going to grab the elements from our list and add to our new list. So let's run our script and check that. Here is our flattened list. Now we can use iterables. So let's try that. We need to import iterables. So import iterables. And we already have our list, num list, and this will be our flat list. So we are gonna call list, and inside list we are going to use iter tools chain from iterable, and just pass in our list, that is num list. And we can just now print our flat list. We're gonna do print flat, and the second line is the output from using iter tools. We can also use list comprehension. So let's try that. So we are going to have our flat list. This will be flat 2, and we're just gonna do I for j in num list for I in j, and we are just going to print our flat list. Now we can run our script, and here is the output. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Awesome Code, like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.